Hello to you all. Today I was thinking about a quick video how you can make a nice background. I used the Golden Sands infusion powder and spread a little bit on my paper, not too much, a little bit here maybe in the edge. So, and then of course water. And look at it, just like her dress. I also want to keep white in it. I spread it a little bit with my finger. And then I'm going to dry it, I think. So it is dry. Oh, look at that. Look at the background. And because it is a small project, we can add a layer, but I do then the layer in the same color. Then it's, you can see it, but it will not become too busy. And those powders are really great, and they are so not expensive. I thought I had them for €3.25, but you can use it such a long time. You can make also sprays of it. Oh, look at it! It's a beautiful background already, in the same color. And then I'm going in, I think, with my all-time favorite stamp. Small texts. But I stamp it first on a little piece so that it's not too black. Here, there. And I glue the paper down, so in the end you have a nice white border. And a little bit here. So, oh, she is so funny. She is so funny. I hope I will be so funny when I'm 80. Okay. I glue her down. I have to be very careful because, yeah, I cut the flower. The flower is here. It was already terrible to cut the piece. With the beautiful magnolias. Yeah. Yabba-dabba-doo. Let me see. I want her here. And I have to connect the flower and the dress. And of course this one is coming here. This one didn't have glue. And now, while I am looking at the image of the whole, I think I could add a little bit of purple in the background, because maybe it is too yellow. Let me see. I have lavender, but then I used the same stamp. Yeah, I think it is possible, but then a little bit more carefully. Oh, that is very careful. Little bit. It isn't really the same color, but I think when I take a lighter one, you don't see it. Maybe here. I think in the end it will work. And it doesn't work, it doesn't work. No. The clear gesso. Where is my clear gesso? Here it is. I'll take a brush. Just a little much. And I ruined the flower, so I hope I can connect it. Yes. So. Okay, then we dry this. So, and then we do some shading, of course. And give her some ground to walk on. Not too much, because maybe I can, yeah, I can do that. Then it makes maybe more sense. Not too much. She is so funny. So, and then of course the white, the white, the white, the white. A beautiful dress. A little bit on the shoes. Very small project to end the day. Because I think in an hour I have to cook. I think chicken out of the oven. Haha, she's so funny. Funny, funny, funny. maybe a little in her socks. And then some white splatters, of course. Where is my kuritake here? And I think when you take the tape away, it is a kind of, yeah, it will come more to life because of the white border. Now it's showing a little bit strange. Not too much, this is a small project. And then, of course, e-text. A small one, I think in white is beautiful. You are never too old to dream a new dream, but it's a very long one. Dung, dung. Let me see if I can cut it. Yeah, I think it is possible. My scissor. You are never too old. Yeah. Boom. I have to dry the white because otherwise the stickers will not stuck. I keep it a little bit higher up so I have place for it. You are never too old to dream a dream. Maybe here's a small one. I love you. It's a little bit strange. Have hope. Under the beautiful magnolias. Okay. That is 0.4. That's a little bit. My eyes. 0.8. That is also a little bit. Where is my 0.0? My 0.1. My 0.2. 2. I have to turn it because otherwise I cannot do the lines. Zip. Oh, look at that. This is this is the tape you use for when you paint your windows. So it's not a special tape, but it's great. And you have a beautiful border, and then I can make a kind of straight line. Zippy. So a quick project, nice background, and if you would like to try the powders, they are really great. You can make a spray of it. You can also wet in the paper and put the powder in it. I like to put dry powder on the page and then with water. But yeah, it's really nice products and not expensive. Lots of colors. And I wish you a nice evening. Bye bye.